Welcome to another video of Best Deals. Check the description below as discounts and coupons will only be valid through those links.
We designed the Air Cordless lift to be both powerful and incredibly convenient. Wind Tunnel 3 technology gives you great performance for cleaning all your floors. And a liftoff canister makes it easy to clean furniture, stairs, and other above-floor surfaces. For tougher messes, press the boost button to clean with extra suction power. The Air Cordless lift gives you fade-free, cordless convenience with a long-lasting lithium-life battery. Other features like steerable technology, LED headlights, and the 2-in-1 tool make whole home cleaning even more versatile. And we protected your purchase with a 5-year limited warranty that covers not only the vacuum, but also the battery that powers it. The Hoover Air Cordless lift. Power and portability without the hassle of a cord.
Motorhead, the most powerful vacuum that is both lightweight and cordless. With 75% more brush bar power, it is ideal for deep carpet cleaning, but also underneath furniture, stairs, and up high. It is engineered to generate powerful cleaning performance throughout your home. The small, light motor has been developed specifically by Dyson to deliver powerful suction, and at less than 5 pounds and with no cord, the machine is light and portable. A direct drive cleaner head provides 75% more brush bar power to drive bristles deep into carpet, removing more dirt and dust from your floors. The V6 Motorhead vacuum easily converts to a handheld and comes equipped with Dyson engineered tools for cleaning in all areas of your home and car. The crevice tool is ideal for cleaning your car and hard to reach areas.
Bissell Multi-Reach combines the comfort of a cordless vacuum with the performance of an upright in one lightweight machine. It's professional grade. The Bissell Multi-Reach combines the comfort of a cordless vacuum with the performance of an upright in one lightweight machine. Its professional grade lithium-ion battery charges in just 4 hours. It gives you up to 20 minutes runtime, delivering effortless, cordless cleaning from the palm of your hand right down to the floor. Our patented airlock system allows you to pick up large objects with ease and gives you extra suction on the backward stroke, drawing finer dust and dirt from deep down. It makes light work of even the toughest cleaning tasks on any surface without changing settings and glides smoothly under furniture, with a range of specialized attachments designed to tackle every job. And our onboard crevice tool makes narrow spaces simple to clean, so not a gap or corner will be forgotten. When you're finished, simply tip the dirt out of the Easy Empty bin.
This is the Dyson V6 Animal, the most powerful vacuum that is both lightweight and cordless. With 75% more brush bar power, it is ideal for deep carpet cleaning, but also underneath furniture, stairs, and up high. It is engineered to generate powerful cleaning performance throughout your home. The small, light motor has been developed specifically by Dyson to deliver powerful suction. The Dyson V6 Animal removes more dirt and dust from your floors. A mini motorized tool removes pet hair and ground-in dirt from furniture, cars, and tight spaces. It also comes with a mini soft dusting brush for delicate cleaning like computer keyboards, a combination tool for surfaces like kitchen counters, and a crevice tool for hard-to-reach places. A direct drive cleaner head provides 75% more brush bar power to drive bristles deep into carpet.
You've worked hard to make your house a home. So to keep your home as clean as it can be, you want a vacuum designed to clear up debris quickly and effectively. The Bolt Ion XRT is designed to help you clean the day-to-day messes that may come your way. Bolt Ion XRT's 25.2-volt lithium-ion battery allows you to vacuum with continuous cordless power for up to 40 minutes. At the touch of a button, Bolt Ion XRT's Edge Reach technology focuses suction to the edge of the vacuum to clean all the way into edges and corners. Bolt Ion XRT's swivel steering design allows for easy cleaning around furniture and other obstacles, and the two-way folding handle allows Bolt Ion XRT's powerful suction to clean in hard-to-reach spaces. The removable hand vacuum provides powerful suction in a handheld device, allowing for quick spot cleans wherever necessary. All of these features are available in one unit that is ready to clean whenever you are, and most importantly, allows you to get back to enjoying your home. The Bolt Ion XRT from Bissell.
We will appreciate your likes and comments. Enjoy your savings and subscribe for new deals. Welcome to another video of Best Deals. Check the description below as discounts and coupons will only be valid through those links.